In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy HTML from a Mailchimp campaign. Whether you've sent out a campaign or are still working on a draft, understanding how to access and copy the HTML can be really useful for various reasons, such as replicating the design or importing it into another tool. Let's start with a sent campaign. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate over to the campaign section. This is your hub for all past campaigns, and here you can easily find the one you're interested in working on. Once you've located the campaign, go ahead and click on it to open it up. You'll need to find the View Email button, which will open the sent campaign for you to review. Now, here's where it gets a little technical, but don't worry, it's straightforward. On the page of your campaign, using your mouse, right-click anywhere, and a menu will pop up. You're looking for an option that says View Page Source. Alternatively, if you're comfortable using keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+U if you're on a Windows machine, or CMD plus Option+U if you're using a Mac. This will open up a new tab or window that displays all the HTML code that makes up your email. Simply highlight and copy it. Now, if you're handling a draft campaign that hasn't been sent yet, the process is a bit different. Start by heading over to the campaign section just like before and find your draft email campaign. After opening the draft, you'll see an option to edit design. Click on that to open the email editor. This is where you can make adjustments to your campaign, but for now, we're interested in just viewing the code. Look for a drop-down menu next to the preview button. Click on it and select Enter Preview Mode. This lets you see how the email would look to your recipients. Once in preview mode, right-click on the page again, and you'll see options to either inspect or view page source, depending on what your browser calls it. Select one of these options to access the HTML. From there, you can copy the entire HTML code associated with your unsent draft. This process might seem a bit technical at first, but once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. Having the HTML of your campaigns can be incredibly handy for ensuring consistency across your email marketing or for sharing your campaign designs with others. That's it for today's tutorial on how to copy HTML from a Mailchimp campaign. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more useful tips and tricks.